you want to start by slicing your bread. I'm using sourdough bread, and I'm gonna cut about 4 or 5 slices if I can. Otherwise I may just have to use some other loaf. We're then going to cut the bread. And then we want to top this with some olive oil. I'm gonna be using 3 tablespoons. You can also use butter if you prefer. Some garlic powder, some Italian seasoning, some salt, and black pepper. And then you just want to combine. Next, you want to line your air fryer basket and transfer the cut and seasoned bread pieces to the basket. Spread them out so they're not overlapping as much as possible. You then want to set your Ninja Foodi on the air frying function at 200 degrees Celsius, that's about 400 degrees Fahrenheit. Set the time to 6 minutes and we're gonna check on it. Close your air fryer and cook. And the croissants are ready, so we're just gonna transfer them to a plate ready for serving. Obviously you can cook them for 1 or 2 minutes longer or shorter depending on how crunchy you like them, but hear that? Crispy, crunchy, really nice. And you can serve this on salads, top them on soups, or even eat them as they are as a snack. And you want to keep them in an airtight container for use later.